Q3, I'm taking one. Okay, that is a symbol part here. Okay, from Q3 to Q4, I'm supposed to write now Q4 here. Okay, now so what is the part here? So 0 0 1 1. Okay, done. Starting with zeros, two zeros, and I'm ending meaning I'm supposed to write double circle here, meaning it is accepting state. Okay, I should end it now. When I start something, I have to end it. Okay, na? So that's why this is double circle. So I ended here. Okay, so this is the part here. Okay, so what did you understand, guys? We started with two zeros, we ended with two ones here. Okay, that part we understood beautifully here. Okay, now so did I completed my DFA diagram? No, just I written a one way. Okay, meaning in a straight way. Okay, we are written 0 0 0 1 1. Okay, that I have written. Okay, first basic part is completed. Okay, in order to tell this diagram is a DFA diagram, I'm supposed to tell that from each state all the symbols are passing or not. That condition I should check. Okay, and also along with that I have to check with that it should be passed only one time. Okay, not more than that. Okay, so that part is very important here. Okay, so starting with, everyone knows probably, whenever starting with, you can close your eyes and you have to use with a trap state. Okay, now always trap state. Okay, now so Q0 to 1, there is a trap state. This one I'm passing here because self loop not possible, previous state is not there, so I'm sending this to trap state. Okay, so always we know that trap state is a self loop, meaning 0 comma 1 here. See, I'm writing 0 comma 1. I'll talk about this also later. Okay, many people are doing mistake. Some people they're writing 0 and 1 here. Okay, so that is not possible. Okay, I'll talk about later that part also. Assignment they have done a mistake, that one, that part also I'll talk about later. Okay, so a T 0 comma 1. Okay, that is a self loop here. So next after that, this again I'm sending Q1 to trap state, that is 1 here. Okay, so what did you understand, guys? So we are starting now Q0 to we are sent it here. Okay, here we are sent it. Okay, fine, because we cannot write it here because it should start with two zeros. No, so that's why I'm not written self loop. I cannot send back also, so that's why I send it here. Okay, so this is the meaning of here. Okay, starting is done. Next is ending part. We'll come back to ending part here. Okay, so what is the ending part? See, 0 0 here, Q2 0 symbol is passed. Sorry, one symbol is passed, but 0 has not been passed. Can I check with the self loop? Can I check any problem will be arises or not? Now 0 0 0. See, understand, 0 0 0. Okay, no problem. And 1 1. I'm starting with two zeros, ending with two ones. Not a problem for me. Self loop is not a problem. We got Q0 is done now, Q1 is done, Q2 is done. Okay, we'll come back to Q3 part here. Q3 already one symbol has gone, another symbol is 0. That 0, can I put self loop? Okay, no, if I put self loop, what will happen? 1 0 1, it will end with 0 1. So that will not be possible. That is only not possible. So that's where what we are supposed to do. I will check with the previous state here. Whenever I check with the previous state, so now 1 0 1 1. So it is possible. See, it is ending with 1 1. Yeah, 1 1. No, here from Q0 no symbol has been passed. Okay, so that's how I have to check with no 0 symbol also I should check, 1 symbol also I should check. These two have to check with it. Okay, great. So now what I'm supposed to do now? From Q4 to Q1, can I write 0? Is it possible? 100% is not possible, guys. Why? Why the hell it is not possible? Because, sir, it should end with 1, sir. So that's why it is not possible. 0 meaning you can consider at any number of times. So that's why that is not possible. That is only not possible, meaning you can go back to previous state. Okay, previous. Can I give 0 here? 1 0 1? No, because my requirement is 1 1. So that's why it's a common sense. I'll send back to Q2 here. Why I'm sending directly, see, with my knowledge, because see, already 0 is satisfying here. zero, one more zero is satisfying here, meaning one more it will satisfy. That is understood, common sense. Okay, so that's why by practice you will get to know that. Okay, great guys. Okay, I'm done with this part. So later zero symbol is done and one symbol. Okay, one, because it should end with double one. No, here one is there, one one one, any number of times one. So that is the requirement part here. Okay, so any clarification you won't see, we are done with this part here. Yeah, great. Yeah. See, have a look at a couple of minutes. Any clarification, any doubt you want, ask me, guys. Okay, now have a look at, and also copy. Yeah. Any clarification, I guess. Okay, it's a very simple part here. Okay, last problem for the day here. That is 70th problem. Okay, and last problem in the pattern recognition problem. Okay, now. Yeah, I will talk about that also later. In DFA, I told that three types are there. One is pattern recognition, modulo k counter, divisible by k problems. Okay, we are completing today two types. One is modulo k counter and pattern recognition. Okay, now that I'll talk about after completing this problem. No? Okay, so now last problem for the day, that is no, 70th problem. Okay, 70th. What is the requirement now? I'll paste it. Obtain a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's, A's and B's. Now I'll say that ending with, guys. Okay, it's a very easy part here. Ending with ABB. Okay, I'll remove all this no, irrelevant thing. ABB. Also, see now this question. Ending with ABB, sir, easy, sir. We are done 100 times, sir. Okay, then show that. ST meaning show that. Okay, not a cast. Okay, it's also ST, the string, show that string A, 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 B, B. Okay, is accepted by the DFA. It's accepted by the DFA, guys. Okay, now. Yeah. So what is the requirement part here? Come on, do it quickly. Take a sheet of paper, do it. This thing already we are done. Obtain a DFA to accept string A's and B's ending with ABB. We are done. So A, okay na? So this part here, okay? Requirement part. 3 A's, 2 B's. Okay na? It's accepted by the DFA part here. Okay. Meaning we should show this one, but it should end with ABB. Okay, that is a part here. Okay, this is what the requirement. See, this string, they are given one example of the string ABB, it is ending, no? That string we're supposed to show after writing the DFA diagram. That's it. Okay, very simple. Okay, so now I will take this part here. I'll increase. Those are doing by one, you can do complete. Sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay, this is the requirement part here. Okay. Fine. Next part. Okay, what is the next part here? The necessary part here is so ABB. Okay, na? Ending with ABB. So that's why I'll take Q0 here. Very easy part. Q0. Q1. Q2. Q3. Okay, na? Fine. So now I'll write A, B, B. Easy, sir. A, B, B, we are written, sir. And you should accept, no, sir. So that's why we are writing double circle here. Okay. Whenever I written a double circle here, so A, B, B, it is ending. Ending is done. Yes or no? Fine. Okay, fine. But we requirement is not done. Okay. So that is what from Q0, A symbol is there. B symbol is not there. Can I put self loop? 100% we can put self because it's starting with okay BAA. Fine. BABB is coming. Now, can I put self loop here? A symbol. 100% we can put. Why? Because A A B B, meaning it's accepting ending with ABB. Fine. Perfect. So from Q2, it is if I try to write self loop here, A. See now, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B will be there. A, B, A, B. Not possible, no? A, B, A, B, not possible because our what is our requirement? A, B, B. So that's why we cannot write self loop. Already I told that A symbol here accepting meaning we can send around, so close your eyes and you can write it here. A. Fine. Yeah, this is done. Last one. Okay, now Q3. Here, can you write B here or A here? Not possible only. Okay, na? So that purpose, what you are supposed to do now? From Q3, you are supposed to send A symbol to here. Okay, na? You can check. Self loop is not possible. Previous also not possible. Why? Because B, A, B, not possible. Okay, A, B, B should be there. Okay, so A symbol I'll write there and B symbol, common sense here. That's it. Because self loop is not possible. If I send double B, 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 if I send here triple B, so that's why better I will send it to Q0. So this is what done. We are done with the DFA diagram. Okay, if you check 100 times also, this is correct here. Okay, whatever diagram we are written, that is valid enough. Okay, now. So now first part of the question is done. Obtain a DFA to accept string of A's and B's ending with ABB done. Okay, now we have to show that the string triple ABB is accepted by the DFA. Okay, now. So now how to show this one? You have to write. Okay, now. Therefore, see A B B modes are at a moment we are showing. Okay, now triple A B B, that movement we want. No, so I will show that part now. So easy part, how to write. See, I'll take orange color here. Everyone concentrate. Triple A we want. No, Q0 to Q1 you come 1A. Again Q1 to Q2 2A. Okay. One, if I go back here, B will come. That is I don't want. One more A I want. So what should I do now? One more A I written here. Okay, A, three A's are done. Okay, B, B we are done. We are ending. No? We are getting no. So that part we are supposed to write it here. Okay, how to write it? Simple, sir. First part here, Q0. Okay, na Q0 to where we are getting Q0 to we are taking that part into Q1. Okay, what we are taking A symbol. Okay, so again from Q0 to Q2 only. Okay, na again from Q2 to Q2 only. Okay, we are taking A symbol, A symbol, A symbol. Okay, na. So next what we are done from Q2 to Q3, we are taken B symbol. Okay, na again from Q3 to Q4, we ended up with D symbol. Okay, so that part I will show you. Okay. Only Q3, Q0, Q1, Q1, Q1. Okay, it's not yeah. Fine here. Okay, so you have to write Q1. Yeah, this is A symbol. Okay, na font. I'll change the color. You'll easily understand. I'll take green color here. Take A symbol. Q0 to Q1. A symbol is there. Fine. Again Q1 two A's. Q1 to Q1 1A. Again Q1 to Q1 another A. Understood? Got the clarity? Again. Now from Q1 to Q2 here and Q2 to Q3 here. Okay, that part you are supposed to understand it here. Okay. Q2, Q3. Okay now? So this part you are supposed to understand it. Okay, so now B, here also B. Okay now? See, triple A, double B, triple A, double B, that's it. So this is a solution part. Any clarification, any doubt you ask me, we are done with the problems here. Okay, yeah, have a close look at and copy if you're not done. So don't copy this also. Yeah, see, some Buddhas will be there. They will copy this orange color also. Yeah, have a look at. Yeah, copy this. It okay. Finite automata, we have three types here. What are those? DFA, NFA, epsilon NFA, three types. Okay, in that first type, DFA, I told that we have three things. One is pattern recognition problem, divisible by k problems, modulo k counter problems. Okay na? So after that, NFA, epsilon NFA, we are doing with conversion some part. Okay, now till today we are done with DFA problem. Out of that, we are done the pattern recognition problem. We are completed now, and also we have completed modulo k counter problem. Only remaining part is divisible by k problems, and Monday we are completing DFA. Full DFA we are completing. Okay na? Next, twist onwards we are moving into NFA part. Okay na? If you are not aware of DFA, then trust me, guys, you will not understand NFA. If you have a doubt in your mind, DFA, even a small thing, then we cannot go with NFA. If we cannot go with NFA, probably you are experienced problem to problem, what is happening, how it is depending. Okay, now, so I no need to tell you. Okay, NFA you will not understand. Again, regular expression unit number 2, it will be very difficult for you people. Okay, it's up to you how you do it. But my thing is, now I wanted to tell you this one. So by this we finished what we have finished, guys. We have finished in DFA. DFA, in that first part here is we finished with something called as pattern recognition problem. Okay, this part we are done. Okay, now. So what is the second part here? So since this is the weekend last class, so that's I'm giving clarity for you people. Okay, modulo. So that's a 2 days time is there. At least you can revise all 70 problems, and you can come back on Monday. You can you can continue sessions. So modulo key counter problem we are done. These two we are done. Okay now. Okay, fine. What is remaining? Third part is remaining. Okay now. What is the third part? I'll write in red color. So divisible by. I'll extend time, guys, again 15 minutes. Okay, on problems divisible by k problems. Okay now? Divisible by k problems, this is remaining not done. Monday we are doing this part. Okay now? When we are doing Monday, we are completing only two problems are there, two assignment I will give. So we are completing that part also Monday. Okay, very small concept, that is divisible by k problems. Monday we are completing. Okay now? If I missed, I cannot help you guys. Okay now? Yes, and I told that clearly there is no repetition class in the offline. Okay now? Yes. Now, one more clarity I am supposed to give here, that is type 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All it's also 10, guys. Okay, now these are all these type 1, 2, 3, not 4, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are pattern recognition problem, or what we had done are pattern recognition problem. Okay, I'm giving conclusion part here. Okay now? So type number 4, type 4 You have written this part also in this week only. Type number 4. What is that? Modulo key counter problem. That odd number of b's, even number of a's. What we had done, that is modulo key counter problem here. Okay, na? Understood. So I'm giving conclusion part here. Type number 1, what we had done, that is pattern recognition. Type number 1 to this is except 4 pattern recognition. Type number 4, only one type. Okay, now that is modulo key counter problem. Okay, now I'll write this is conclusion. Okay, conclusion part. So this is the thing. Okay, now so now yeah, this is first part here. Okay. Yeah, couple of more things I have to discuss it. Okay, so done.